Hello guys, let's learn FL Studio. These days, actually, I've been wasting my time a lot. So instead of sitting idle, I thought of making some tutorial videos with FL Studio.
I am pro.
I'm not a pro or expert, but I can teach the basic lessons. With the help of these lessons, you guys can at least begin your journey if you are interested enough. And this is at least a bit productive, I guess. So let's start my first video. Okay guys, after you open the FL Studio, you will find this channel rack. Here you will find the instrument. This channel rack is used to keep the instruments, and with this plus sign you can open all the VSTs you got. VSTs means the instruments, I guess. And I'll show you guys. I will continue my work, you guys check it out. I'll go with the flow and you can see whatever is going on. At first, let me put FL keys. This one's default VST. Don't forget to put all your VSTs from channel rack to the mixer channel. At the very beginning, you can make some melodies. This is called piano roll. You can open the piano roll from here, or you can click this second selection button. I will fast forward it while making the melody because it will take some time. Well, sometimes it's easy, sometimes not. Alright, so this is my basic melody. Basic melody with basic chord progression, which I don't know. I don't know which chord it is because I'm not into this theory. It doesn't matter because it's a software and here you can rock it. So I've completed the melody, so I will try listening these chords at a different VST. Flex is a default VST. Oh, this sounds like hyperpop. Let me put one octave down. To select all these notes, you can press Ctrl plus A, and to bring one octave down, Ctrl plus down arrow. See, this changes the vibe. I will try to put some small notes here. To select all these notes, you can press Ctrl and then Click left and drag it over. Press shift and then press the left click and move wherever you want to. See, what I did is this note will the note will slide. This is the slide button. I've clicked the slide button. This slide button will make the upper note slide to the lower note. That's it. Alright, let me put a counter melody. I'm going to make it very short and simple. Let me open up Pigments. This is Pigments by Arturia. I will choose some random sounds. Pluck would be nice. Not bad. Let me save it or this project will fuck me up. Alright. Let me put some EQs on these two chicks. Naughty chicks. I'm thinking of putting some ARPs over here. Let me open up Nexus. Oh. Oh, I can hear Uzi Vert's voice here. This beat would be great for Uzi, you know, because these days he's going through hyperpop melodies. This is too much going on, so I'll put one gross mama here. Gross is the mama. It's a free plugin though. Gross is not actually gross, you know. Here gross is the mama. Mama's sweet. Mama's lovely. Okay, here right click and select momentary preset and then half speed it. Ooh, can you feel the vibe, guys? Let me make this one more ugly fat ass. The vibe, man. You want to know what I meant by ugly fat ass? EQs are needed. EQ. Okay, I'm done with the melody. Now let's play with the drums. Let's check the Metro Boomin drum kit. Well, this beat is going to be very sweet and simple because it's just a tutorial video. So, claps are done. I got another pack of Metro Boomin. This pack got a large collection. Snare, where's the snare, buddy? Snare. The main sauce to a trap song. I like to put out the heads from the places where the snare hits because that will make the snare sound more crisp. Time for the main sauce. Guess what? The 808s. Let's not get dependent with the bass notes because I'm not that much into theory. I told you before. I pitched up the 808s. Actually, I pitched up on the whole melody so that the 808 sounds better. At last, let me put the kick. Shittiest kicks. Okay. Well, I can use the kick from another drum kit by Adam Mahfouz. I remember. He's another producer from Dibrugarh. He released the drum kit recently. Yo, shout out to my boy Adam. Thanks for the kit. It's free actually. I will try to put the link in the description. Oh yeah, booty kick. Oh, I've used this drum kit before many times actually. Okay, let's listen. most important part. Alright, the song is completed. Haven't mixed the beat yet. I guess I'll do it later on before uploading the original soundtrack. Okay guys, thank you.